name is Anton Chapman, and I am a leaf filtering client. I was having problems with my filters, water getting damaged into my home or whatnot, and so I decided to do something about it. And plus, I'm a little older now. Getting up on a ladder is not safe or recommended for someone my age. So I did some investigating, and I came across LeafFilter. Gave him a call. Representative came out, super cool guy. What I liked about LeafFilter is they was willing to work with me as far as payment arrangement, schedule, and things in that nature. It made it really easy it made it hard for me to say no to him, actually. So then I said yes to him, and the man, he set up a time and schedule for the guys to come install. And usually I was skeptical about that because usually it's not on time or it's something different. But actually these people came out on time, ahead of schedule really, and put my leaf filter around my house. Not only around my house, but also around my driveway, which is incredible. Awesome. Thank you guys for that, by the way. And it looked beautiful. They replaced my gutters that was needed. They gave me more downspouts that was needed. And then they covered up the gutters to keep the leaves away. So I am super happy and satisfied with LeafFilter.